In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the payment for your Google Workspace business email. Let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. This is the main platform where you'll manage all your Google services, so make sure you have your internet browser open and ready to go. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the admin console. This is typically located in the top right corner of your Google Workspace homepage. The admin console is where all administrative tasks are handled, and it's an essential component for managing your business email settings and billing. Next, log in using your business email credentials. It's crucial to use the email associated with your Google Workspace account, as this will ensure you have access to the needed administrative tools. Enter your password, and with those details confirmed, you should now be inside the admin area. Now look at the top right part of your screen and click on the Google Apps menu. This is represented by a grid of dots, and it's a handy drop-down menu that provides easy access to all your Google Apps and services. From this menu, go ahead and click on the admin icon. This will take you to the admin homepage, which is your central hub for handling everything related to Google Workspace, including user accounts, settings, and of course billing. At this point, it's time to focus on the payment details. Go to the payment account section, which is found within the billing section of your admin console. You can follow the link directly if provided, or simply navigate there yourself by clicking through the billing options. Here you will see a list of all billing accounts associated with your Google Workspace. After that, click on your account ID. This identifies your specific billing account within Google Workspace, and accessing it will lead you to the interface where payment actions can be performed. Inside your account interface, you'll see an option labeled Make a Payment. Click on this to proceed. This action opens up a new window or a page section where you can enter the necessary payment information. Now, it's time to type in the amount you wish to pay. Ensure the amount is correct, as this will be credited to your Google Workspace account, covering subscription costs or any other associated fees. With the amount confirmed, go ahead and click on Continue. This will take you to the final stages of the payment process, where your payment details are reviewed before submission. Ensure everything looks correct and accurate before proceeding. And that's it, you've successfully navigated the Google Workspace admin console to make a payment for your business email. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to check out more of our videos for helpful tutorials like this one.